In this video, I'll show you how to send a Canva newsletter with Mailchimp step by step. First, navigate to the Canva website and open the newsletter you want to send. Next, click Share in the top right corner, then click See All. Under the Messaging section, select Mailchimp. Here, you can choose the file type as either images or HTML. By default, only the first page will be selected. Simply click Add Image below it. Select the page number you want to include, and repeat this for all the pages of your newsletter. Once everything is selected, click Share to Mailchimp. The first time you do this, Canva will ask you to authorize and log in to your Mailchimp account. Sign in, allow the required access, and continue. If you've already connected your account, you'll see your Mailchimp account displayed here. Simply click Share to Mailchimp. Once the newsletter is shared, go to the Mailchimp website. Under the Content section, you'll find the images from your Canva newsletter ready to use. And that's how you can send a Canva newsletter to Mailchimp.